Hello from Seoul. Everyone is always looking for that one magic side dish that makes literally any meal 10 times better. Well, you just found it. Today, we're gonna be making smashed cucumber salad, one of the most popular Asian salads of all time. This dish is such a staple appetizer that you will find it on the menu at almost every Chinese restaurant. Yes, it's that good. But sorry to all the restaurant owners, I rarely order this out because it's just so easy to make at home. Seriously, it only takes just 10 minutes, so please give this a try. I promise. You won't regret it. For this, you will need some cucumbers, garlic, and a little bit of cilantro. So simple, right? But if you want to make it look even fancier, then bring one red chili pepper. The contrast between green and red will make your dish look like it just came out of a fancy restaurant. Alright, let's get right into it. First, take 2 cucumbers and trim off the ends. And then just smash them with the flat side of your knife or a rolling pin. If you don't want cucumber pieces flying everywhere, then put them in a plastic bag like this. Once the cucumber is smashed into quarters, get rid of the seeds and cut them into nice bite-sized pieces. The reason why we smash them is that those rough, uneven surfaces pick up the dressing so much better. Trust me, this little detail makes every bite way more flavorful. So even if you're not using my recipe, try this technique with your favorite dressing. You're gonna love the difference. You're welcome. Now transfer the cucumbers to a mixing bowl and add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of sugar, and give it a good mix. And then let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you're planning to eat this right away, you can skip this step and go straight to the dressing. But if you're leaving this on the dinner table to enjoy over a long meal, it's much better to drop that excess water first. Alright, while they're having a great time in the bowl, let's make the dressing. First, smash 3 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. What? You want more of that garlic punch? Then feel free to use 5 cloves. That's gonna be awesome too. Next, thinly slice 1 mild red chili. This is purely an aesthetic thing to make the dish look pretty, so you can totally skip it if you want. Once that's done, chop a little bit of cilantro. What? You're not a big fan of cilantro? Don't worry about it. You can simply replace it with our love, green onions. They'll be fantastic too. In a small container, add the garlic and chili pepper. And then to that, add 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar or black vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, and give it a good mix. That's it. So simple, right? But if you want to unlock that next level umami, bring that bad boy over here. But it's totally optional. By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com, so please visit here if you need a written recipe. Alright, we're almost there. Let's get back to our cucumbers. Transfer the cucumbers to another mixing bowl, and pour the dressing and give it a final toss. That's it. There's literally no reason not to try this at home, right? Alright, let's put them on a serving plate, and drizzle on some chili oil if you like. And then finish it off with some cilantro and toasted sesame seeds. How does it look? Looks absolutely amazing, right? You wanna know how it tastes? Alright, let's call our taste tester. But before we meet our taste tester, I wanna take a moment to thank our paid partner, BetterHelp. Running this channel is super rewarding, but let me tell you one thing. It's not easy at all. You know, English is not my first language, so creating recipes, writing video scripts, uploading detailed blog posts, and even writing cookbooks, they can be pretty overwhelming. And when the pressure builds up, instead of slowing down, I usually just push through it. That's been my unhealthy pattern, and I couldn't break it on my own. That's why I love talking about BetterHelp. Whether you're stressed, overwhelmed, or stuck in a loop like I was, therapy can shift unhealthy thoughts and behaviors into something more positive. For me, it's simply closing my laptop and forcing myself to step away for 5 minutes. BetterHelp's mission is to make therapy convenient for you. Because finding the right therapist can be a challenge, but with BetterHelp, you just fill out a few questions online and you will get matched with a credentialed therapist who has years of experience in helping people with struggles just like yours. You'll be matched to a therapist as soon as possible, so you can get started fast. And here's the best part. If the first match is not quite right for you, you can easily switch therapists without any extra cost. Plus, you can do everything from the comfort of your home, so you don't have to worry about fitting therapy into your busy schedule. Also, you can have therapy sessions by phone call, video chat, or even messaging, so it's easy and less intimidating. If this sounds like something you can benefit from, use the link in my description below or visit betterhelp.com/Aaron and Claire to get 10% off your first month. Thanks, BetterHelp. Claire.
Woo! Our entire house is full of cucumber aroma. Is Hodo alright? Because she's the biggest fan of cucumber. 아마 낮잠 자고 있어서 냄새 못 맡고 있나 보다. 빨리 먹고 이따 챙겨줘야지. Anyways, let's give it a try. 칠리 오일에 위에 칠리 페퍼에 고수까지 알록달록 너무 예쁘네요. Cheers. 와, 진짜 실패가 없는 그런 음식인 것 같아. 우리 포함해서 많은 사람들이 정말 큐컴버 샐러드를 정말 많이 좋아하잖아. 진짜 왜 그러는지 알 것 같아. 딱 먹자마자 그 오이의 향긋함, 리프레싱 하면서 라이트한 그런 향긋함이 입안 가득 상쾌하게 바꿔주고, 거기에 마늘의 그런 약간의 알싸한 맛이랑 식초의 그 새콤한 맛이랑 칠리 오일에 아주 약간의 그 흰까지 들어가니까 진짜 합쳐지면서 진짜 무슨 뭐 축제가 일어나는 것 같아. 장난 아니야. 너무너무 맛있어. 요번에 고수랑 같이 Cheers. 이 맛이지. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of cilantro, but I think adding a little bit of cilantro makes it even tastier. Wow, it's such a perfect dish for summer. Aaron has to make this a lot this summer. Did you hear it? 맛있긴 하지만 이것만 즐길 수는 없습니다. 우리 뭐라도 곁들여서 먹어야 되지 않을까? 우리 냉장고에 치킨 프라이드 라이스 아마 밀프렙 해놓은 거 있을 거야. 그거라도 꺼내서 같이 곁들여 먹읍시다. Hope you guys try. Enjoy. Bye. 오랜만에 우리 호두도 인사. 자, 오이 선물이다. 가서 먹어라. 짠. 맛있게 먹어.
Today, I showed you how to make a smashed cucumber salad, one of the most loved Asian salads of all time. How was it? Super simple and easy, right? Since there's no cooking involved, it's perfect for hot summer days when you want something crunchy and refreshing. So I really hope you give this a try. Trust me, if you do, I'm sure this salad will be your new summer favorite. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.